Okay, did you know that you can simply create calendar on Excel? So click on File, New, and here simply type calendar and it will show you templates. So you can select any template what you like. For example, let's select this one. Okay, and click on Create. As you can see, calendar created. Now you can do modifications. For example, let's change year. Okay. Also, you can change title for your calendar. Do modification with dates. Can change colors. Everything. Okay, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.